Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. This is probably my favorite trailer that we carry and probably the one I sell the most of. It's a 2018 Heartland Sundance 273 RL. So it's a rear lounge or rear living. Power tongue jack up front. You got really nice LED lighting on the inside or on the outside there. A nice big pass through on a magnetic catch, so no plastic clip. There's an LED light strip in there. You can kind of see your aluminum frame in there. You can see your tongue and groove plywood. It's not OSB like most of the other stuff that's out there. Big difference. Huge awning that goes almost the whole length of the trailer. Power awning with an LED light strip in it as well. You have two doors on the outside. So over here, as you step in, you've got a nice big picture window in the back. So you can kind of have a good view out here. A lot of sunlight gets let in. If you go somewhere that's got a nice view out to the coast or something, you can back in. You've got your two chairs in the back as well. You got a couch here that folds into an extra bed as well. Nice cup holders in here. These light up. There's USB ports on them. You can charge your phones off your 12-volt batteries, which is pretty slick. You got a dinette, a good sized booth dinette. Some booth dinettes are pretty cramped. You can get 2 adults in these if you or 2-3 kids. Then you have some storage under here and some lights as well. So you got storage underneath the dinette. On this back side, you got a nice big TV here. It's about a 40-inch. Most trailers have about a 32 usually. So it's on a pull-out bracket that swivels, so you can tilt it to the back corner if you're sitting in the back seats or at the dinette or wherever you're sitting. DVD, Bluetooth. You got a nice big pantry here as well. Full 2-door fridge. You got your stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. 3 burners on the range with a glass range top. This is kind of nice of a touch too, is you got nice big stainless steel sink. You can have 2 small plastic sinks or 1 big stainless steel sink, which is nice. And an extendable sprayer here as well. These have a very pronounced arch roof in these. So a lot of your roof lines on top are arched, but the ceiling level on the inside is flat. They arch it in here. It makes it feel huge in here. Or if you're a little bit taller, you're not banging your head on stuff either. So you have a hallway. A lot of your rear lounges are set up where you have to go through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. This one's got a hallway with a separate bathroom off to the side. Full glass shower, medicine cabinet, sink in here as well. So a good sized, nice bathroom that's a little bit more set off to the side than a lot of them are. Then the bedroom, this is where this one gets a little unique. This is a king size bed. So almost every trailer out there in the world, if you're not 35 feet or so, has the same exact RV queen mattress in it. This is the exception. This is a nice king bed inside here. Closets on both sides. LED reading lamps on the back as well for each side, and USB ports in the bedroom too, so you can charge your phone if you're dry camping right off the batteries. Then you've got a spot for a TV mount in here, so you can hook a TV up. You have a separate door in here as well with a screen door and an exhaust vent up top. The AC and the heat is ducted back here as well. So it's a pretty nice area, and it's quite a bit more separated. If you got people that are going to stay up a little bit later and watch TV and they're going to hang out in the back area, you have a little bit more privacy back here, and you got a little bit more privacy in the bathroom. There's a couple things outside I'll show you real quick. These have what's called an extended RV package on them, so it's a heated and enclosed underbelly, a little bit more insulation. You can camp a little bit later in the year and get out a little bit earlier. You got a bumper in the back that you can store a sewer hose. Anything we sell, we give a brand new sewer hose with. If it's got slides, 2 brand new interstate batteries included, a brand new or a roof inspection once a year for life. A mechanic will break this entire thing down for you step by step to make sure everything works on it and make sure you know how it works. We deliver anywhere in the state for free. We make it really easy. If there's one that you like here and you pick it out, the rest of the stuff is pretty easy and pretty simple to go through. We got your hookups on the back. Everything's all set up nice and easy. Water connections, cable, satellite, and your power. There's a couple other in the similar type of floor plan like this in the rear lounge, and a whole bunch of other stuff we sell as well. Shoot me a call when you get a chance. My number is 541-525-4001. I'd like to show you a little bit more on this thing and some of the other ones like it. Thanks.